Hello everyone, my name is Shaman Tanzim. Me and my friend Ali Tanji bin Masood, we developed a maze game in Java for our assignment in Federation University. So I'm going to describe what the game does and what sort of feature do we have in this game. So demonstration of the gaming features and how it works. Before we jump into the game, let's talk about the relation. I'm not going to talk about the codes, but the relations we have and how the classes work in here. So we have a lot of different classes which extends and inherits and their relations. But the main feature that the game has is that there will be a player. The player can move to different locations. Different locations have different names and the players have different equipment, so the player can move around, the player can see the exit points, and he can pick up different items from there. If he's searching for item that is not available, then it will say that there is no item. And then if the player picks it up and he wants to see what sort of item he has, he can also see it and he can move around to different locations from there. So let's see starting the game. The game first welcomes the user, and the game then asks for a player name. We can input any name we want according to the user, and it sets the player name there. By look command, we can see anytime that where that player is right now. So in the game, I have tried to give a screenshot that it says my name is Sam, and I've put it there, and I have entered look, and it says that it's in Alex's office. They have different exit points like south, east, north, and the item in that location is available is pen, laptop, and just description of the place and office with all the things you need. Giving commands, we have different command sense here. So here we have tried to show that from the office, if we say go east, what shall it do? Will do. So it says that it will move to a different location. It says you successfully move east and find yourself somewhere else. So that's a supermarket. From there, the east is supermarket, and the exit found is west, and the available items there is wheat, chocolates, and eggs. Moving from places, so we can go different places from any location by giving the go command. So here from the supermarket, I said go north, and it moved to a different location, which is named as garden space, and it has its different equipments and everything. Wrong command. If we input go something that doesn't exist, it will say that it doesn't exist, try to move somewhere else. So by giving look command, it will give you all the places that we can go. So we have to put in specific names to go places. So that's how these maze games works. Like you can go place to place, but you actually cannot see where it is and how it's working. Demonstration of more commands. So anytime if we input list, it will show that if we have anything picked and what sort of item we have with us right now. So right now when I gave list, I picked up nothing. So it says that you have nothing with you. And another thing, we can only pick items that are available in that site. So in the garden, there is slides. So we said pick up slides. It picked up the slides from the location. That's all for me. My other teammate will demonstrate the design pattern and the development methodology. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ali Tanzim bin Masood. Now I'll discuss about design pattern. So we used command-based design on object-oriented programming. So in object-oriented programming, the command pattern is a behavioral design pattern in which an object is used to encapsulate all information needed to perform an action or trigger an event at a later time. So this information includes the method name, the object that owns the method, and the values for the method parameters. It decouples the classes that invoke the operation from the object that knows how to execute the operation. What it does to our maze game application is the extensions to add a new command is very easy and can be done without changing the existing code. You can also define a rollback system with the command pattern. For example, in the wizard application example, so we could write a rollback method. So the next thing is the game was developed in a very easy manner. So the readability is good for any other developer with minimum amount of features. The game features easy keyboard commands, which is required for the user in order to play the game. The command includes giving names, list, which shows an item equipped, go, moves player from different locations, look, shows the places and information available there, etc. So the next slide is a methodology of development. So although there are a number of disadvantages of using agile methodology, but we used agile software development methodology because of its regular adaptation to changing circumstances. Even late changes are also very suitable in this method. So the game development was done to improve the application in future and change the options, gameplay, and commands if needed. So agile methodology was the best and quickest way to develop this app. Moreover, it is easy to improve and maintain, although other complex gaming application uses different ways, but we thought agile would be the best option for this particular maze game application. The agile method gave us the opportunity to add and delete features as required, which gave it a robust measure for development. So that's the end of our presentation. Thanks for your time.